Welcome to Neuroscience Update, presented by Naidi Bahradian. I'm an electrical engineer who has passion for neuroscience. Within this video, you are going to hear about the latest updates of neuroscience. Hi, today I'm going to talk about the paper of title Brain Connectivity Reflects Human Aesthetic Responses to Music. Listen to what a USC researcher says about people who could have an enhanced ability to experience intense emotions. When Alyssa the Sarkisian hears the song Nude by Radiohead, her body changes. Der Sarkisian said, I sort of feel that my breathing is going with the song, my heart is breathing slower, and I'm feeling just more aware of the song, both the emotions of the song and my body's response to it. She is a research assistant at USC's Brain and Creativity Institute. She is a friend of Matthew, who is a PhD student in USC who published a study investigating people like her, who get chills from music. The study done while he was an undergraduate at Harvard University found that people who get the chills from the music actually have structured differences in the brain. They have a higher volume of fibers that connect their auditory cortex to the areas associated with emotional processing, which means the two areas communicate better. The idea being that more fibers and increased efficiency between two areas means that you have more efficient processing between them. People who get the chills have an enhanced ability to experience intense emotions. Right now, that just apply to the music because the study focused on the auditory cortex, but it could be studied in different ways down the line. Humans uniquely appreciate aesthetics, experiencing pleasurable responses to complex stimuli that confer no clear intrinsic value for survival. However, substantial variability exists in the frequency and specificity of aesthetic responses. While pleasure from aesthetics is contributed to the neurocircuitry for reward, what accounts for individual differences in aesthetic reward sensitivity remains unclear. Using a combination of survey data, behavioral and psychophysiological measures, and diffusion tensor imaging, they found that white matter connectivity between sensory processing areas in the superior temporal gyrus and emotional and social processing areas in the insula and medial prefrontal cortex explains uh, individual differences in reward sensitivity to music. The findings provide the first evidence for a neural basis of individual differences in sensory access to the reward system and suggest that social emotional communication through the auditory channel may offer an evolutionary basis for music making as an aesthetically rewarding function in humans. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like and follow my page so that you can get other updates in the future. Thank you.